guys, welcome back to my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now I am in St. Elizabeth, a beautiful parish, St. Elizabeth. So I'm gonna take a tour of Brucefield in St. Elizabeth. So enjoy the ride. So I'm gonna make a left turn which takes us to Brucefield. So enjoy the ride. Yeah man, big up yourself, Miss Morrison. One love and one heart, you know. You know, see you long to see a place. So Fire Reid take the time out to show you the nice, beautiful area. How can we forget home? Just because of the pandemic, I know a lot of persons cannot get to travel right now. So enjoy the tour of Brucefield St. Elizabeth. So Brucefield is very close to Longwood and also to Barber Hall, also to Brownberry, also to Mountainside. I think the closest town to Brucefield would be Black River if you want to do some shopping. So I think some people rather to go to Black River but also to Santa Cruz. And in Jamaica, you know, you have a lot of corner shops, so you can get your small items. So there is no place like the country. Many different things you can see. As you can see the weather, it's a sunny day. Very sunny day in Brucefield. So I want to big up all my subscribers and all my followers. So I know a lot of persons watching now from the USA, also UK and Canada. So big up yourself, Miss Morrison. Big up, you know. Yeah man, I know say you're one of my loyal supporter them. Always up on the channel. And also she know a lot about St. Elizabeth, so she can tell you a lot about St. Elizabeth. So if anyone interested in any land in this area, you can contact Fire Reid and he can get you some details and some land in Brucefield. I know a lot of persons love their farming, and also this is a farming area also. So when you're in St. Elizabeth, there's a lot of places you can go. You can go to the Black River Safari, and also to Pelican Bar. You can leave from Paraty, go to Pelican Bar. You can leave from also Treasure Beach and go to Pelican Bar. And also on the Treasure Beach side, you all can go to Lashings, Jake's, Jack Sprat, and a lot, many more places you can go in Treasure Beach. Very nice tourist attraction area in St. Elizabeth. Always remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. And always remember to press all, so as I uploaded a video, you will be notified. So come on board, my people, and know our sweet Jamaica. Many places to go. Jamaica land we love. As you can see, a nice hillside view from where I'm at. I think those places supposed to be up in the Malvern area. Nice hillside view. So I'm going to make a left turn